Well, hey guys, today I just bought me a Ryobi 2000 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute electric power washer. Bought this from Home Depot. They sell for $1.99. I actually caught it on sale for $1.79 during the Ryobi week sale. So, hey, I'm gonna do something here. I'm just gonna take it out of the box. I'm gonna put it together, and I'm going to demonstrate it. And if you hang to the end, I'm going to tell you what I like and dislike about it. I'm not going to go over all the different features on it. I'm going to put it down there in the description. You can read it. But it does come with a 3-year warranty. So, hey, let's take it out of the box and let's see what it looks like. Well, there's a big instruction sheet. Like the wand, power washer handle, there's the wheels. It's like a pretty long hose. Handle. There's the power washer itself, and there's the soap dispenser. So, hey, I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch me put this whole thing together, but I'm gonna speed the video up right quick and put it together, then I'll tell you what was easy and what was hard about it. All right, here's what it looks like from the back. It probably didn't take me 5 minutes to put this thing together. Here's the nozzles it comes with. Looks like there's 3 of them. I'm not gonna wind this up right now, but here's where you wind the hose up, and right here is where you wind your cord up. Looks like a pretty long cord and hose, and I'll check that out in a minute. Let me turn it around and I'll show you what the front looks like. There's what the front looks like. There's where you put your soap in if you want to use soap. So, hey, let's just go around front to my sidewalk, and I'm going to demonstrate it on my sidewalk, and let's see what it does. There is a few things that I think is pretty important to know before you get started. I thought I would just cover them real quickly here. First, the only tool I needed to put this together was one Phillips screwdriver just to tighten that bolt right there that holds your power washer handle. Starting from the back, here's the hose reel. Right here is your holder for your power cord. And right here on the back is a quick start guide in case you have any trouble or any questions getting started. It takes you step by step how to start this. And also there's a little holder right here. This is for your extra nozzles. Now, come around to the front. You get ready to roll this. All you have to do is tilt it back. Rolls real easily. If you want to use soap, here's your soap dispenser right here. This is your on and off switch. Let me turn it to the side here. This is where your power washer hose fits on. It screws right in, and your water hose fits right here. A few little features there, something that's pretty important to know. So hey, let's go demonstrate this thing. Well, I'm going to demonstrate this on my sidewalk. What I've got is a low spot. When it rains, the dirt from the yard kind of comes out on the sidewalk, and it kind of stains it, makes it look like a dirty spot here. So I've followed my quick step directions. I've got it all hooked up. Hey, let's get it out and see if this thing will clean this sidewalk. Well, I thought I'd try a different nozzle. To take these off, it's got a quick connect. You just pull this back, pops right off. I'm going to try this little orange nozzle, see what it does. Pull it back, pops right in. Well, guys, this thing does come with a booklet that tells what each one of these nozzles does, and it also, you know, tell what they're for. And again, they just fit right here. I tell you what, my thoughts on this, if you're a professional and you're doing this for a living, maybe you want to spend a little money and, you know, invest in a little bigger one. But to be honest with you, for around the house, you know, just washing your sidewalks and driveways and maybe facer boards, you can probably even wash your car with it. Hey, this is way more than what I need. It's easy to get around. It's electric, so you don't have to really maintain it. Just get it out of the storage room and use it whenever you want. So, hey, I recommend this Ryobi power washer. If you're looking for one, hey, this may be the one. Hey, I hope this helped you out. I tried to demonstrate it. If you've seen I did something wrong, this is my first power washer. Tell me in the comments. I'd like to hear it. Hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.